You're not going to believe these 5 reasons to not get backyard chickens. They are going to shock and surprise you. Maybe you live in an urban area or you live in a suburban area and you are thinking about getting some backyard chickens. Good for you. But hold that thought. Many communities have relaxed their city and their town ordinances, and they allow you to keep some chickens in your backyard. They probably limit how many you can have, and most likely they don't allow roosters. And they might have requirements where on your property that you can keep them. You might be thinking, I'll get a few chickens, they'll be fun to watch, we'll have fresh eggs, and how hard can it be to take care of a few chickens? I mean, how much work can a flock of chickens be? Cheep, cheep, cheep. Here are 5 reasons to not get a flock of backyard chickens. And you're going to be surprised and shocked by each reason, especially the very last one. Reason number 1, chickens require a lot of work. They are fairly high maintenance. Sure, once you get into the swing of things, it's pretty simple, but it takes regular daily care, upkeep, and maintenance. You need to interact with your chickens so that they become tame, clean and change their water daily, keep the coop clean because no one likes a bunch of flies, especially your neighbors, and you want to avoid disease. Living in a city, what are you going to do with all the discarded bedding from the coop and the chicken manure? Reason number 2, because of reason number 1, do you like to go on frequent vacations? Maybe you like to visit the beach. Or maybe you have some other getaway place. Or hey, you just really like to travel. If you like to go on vacation, you need to think about how you will take care of your chickens while you're gone. Chicken sitting is a lot different than dog or cat sitting. They have to be let out of the coop early in the morning. They got to be watered. They got to be fed. Sometime during the day, the eggs need to be collected, and then at night, they need to be safely locked up in their coop. Reason number 3, do you or any members of your family have health concerns or issues? Just like people can be allergic to more traditional pets, you know, like your dogs and your cats, if anyone in your family suffers from allergies or any other respiratory problems, you need to think carefully about keeping chickens in your backyard. The deal is, chickens are pretty darn dirty critters. They have dander just like other pets. The dust created by chickens is an allergen and it can bother a lot of people. Reason number 4, even living in a city, you need to worry about predators. Do you have a dog or a cat? How about your neighbors? And there are other critters like rats and raccoons or whatever might be living in your area. Can you keep an eye on your chickens while they're out dust bathing and scratching around like chickens like to do? Chickens are good at making holes all around your yard in their parasite removing dust baths, and they'll eat just about anything that they can reach, like your flowers and anything in your garden. And now, reason number 5, and this one you aren't gonna believe. I mean, heck, the primary reasons you get chickens in the first place is for the eggs. Fresh and healthy eggs right from your chickens. None of them store-bought, who knows where they come from eggs for you. The thing is, chickens are expensive. The old saying, eat like a bird, is a myth. Without question, your number 1 expense is gonna be feeding the chickens. Avoiding a whole bunch of math, you can figure on spending $1.50 per dozen eggs, and that's just in feed. And of course, then there's all the other expenses. You got to buy the chickens in the first place, the coop where you'll be keeping them, that's a big one-time cost, and all of their supplies like feeders and waterers and grits and oyster shells and vitamins and more. If you calculate the true cost of your eggs and you're honest about it, you're probably going to be spending more than $10 a dozen, and it very well could be a whole lot more. Is it worth it? If you have a friend that's constantly thinking about getting backyard chickens, please share this video with them. It's up to you to help a friend in need. Ask yourself this: will having backyard chickens make me happy? It's all about you living your self-sufficient life dreams, living happy, living fun-loving, and of course, living carefree. Live life doing it yourself.